Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to use AI assistant to handle customer queries for e-commerce. So let's suppose I'm running an e-commerce business and I'm receiving many queries on my WhatsApp. I was manually replying to all of the queries and this was consuming a lot of my time. So I've completely automated this process and I have created an AI agent which is automating all my WhatsApp conversations with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, when I create this AI agent and when a user sends me a message, automatically the reply will be sent based on whatever the user has sent me the query. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this AI agent or a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow, then let me take you all to my screen. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can create an AI agent to handle customer inquiries for e-commerce store. And I've created this AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow. We are going to test this once whether it is working fine or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to send some message like, so I have written this message, hey, could you please send me the details of classic white t-shirt on your store? I'm going to send this message. Now let's wait for the reply. And here it says, sure, here are the details of classic white t-shirt. Price is this, size available are small, medium, large, XL and XXL. Color option white, black, navy blue. Availability in stock. Description 100% cotton, breathable fabric, perfect for daily wear. If you want to see more or make a purchase, just let me know. So let's make a purchase here. I want to purchase this. I'm going to send this message. Now let's wait for their next reply. So here it says you can purchase the classic white t-shirt directly from a store. Here is the link, and then if I'm going to open this, I will be redirected to that particular link. Now here I have added a dummy link. You can add the link to your products. So I'll go back towards my chat, and here it says if you need any help with purchase process, feel free to ask. Now here I'm going to ask them, please help me with the payment process. I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. And here it has provided me a detailed message. To complete your purchase, follow these steps. Visit the product page, select the size, add to cart, view cart, proceed to checkout, enter shipping information, choose payment method, complete the payment. So here if you encounter any issue or have any question during the process, feel free to ask. Happy shopping. Now I'm going to ask, can I return my products or exchange them? I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for their reply. So here it has sent me, yes, you can return or exchange your product. The return policy is 15 days from delivery. Eligibility is item must be unused, unworn and in original packaging with tag intact. Electronics must include original warranty card. Then the exchange policy, 15 days from delivery, size and color exchange are available subject to stock, free pickup for the first exchange. Then we have this return process also. So this is how my AI agent or the AI assistant is actively replying to all the inquiries I'm sending. And now if you want to learn how you can create this, then let's start creating this from the beginning. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can create AI assistant to handle customer inquiries for e-commerce store. And for this, I have created this AI agent with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. To visit Pabbly Chatflow, you simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And after browsing this website, we need to sign into a Pabbly Chatflow account. But before we sign in, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly Chatflow. After browsing this website, we need to sign into a Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 credits free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard. We can see the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining and the WhatsApp number added. Now to add your WhatsApp to your Pabbly Chatflow account, you can simply click on this add WhatsApp number. Use this WhatsApp connect to connect your WhatsApp with your Pabbly Chatflow account, or you can use a manual token to connect your WhatsApp with your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to learn the step-by-step process, the video is available in the description. Please check that out. Now on the left hand side, where I can see all these features: inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity log, settings, and get help. We have created a dedicated and detailed video on all of these features, the videos of which are available on our YouTube channel by the name Pabbly Chatflow playlist. You can visit that, or you can also check out the link given in the description for all of these features. Now to create an AI assistant, we have to go towards this AI assistant option on the left hand side. So let's open this. So here I have landed towards this AI assistant page. You can see the total AI assistants, active AI assistants, and the inactive AI assistant. Over here, this AI assistant is active on some chat. To create a new AI assistant, you simply need to click on this add AI assistant and then give a name to this. So I'm going to name my AI assistant as AI assistant to handle customer queries for e-commerce, and then I simply need to click on this add AI assistant. And now here I have landed towards this page. From here we are going to start creating this AI assistant. So over here, first we have to select the AI instructions. In this drop down you can see all the instructions type. I am going to select it as AI agent, and as soon as I select this AI agent, you can see the instructions are automatically updated. You can update and add these instructions according to your choice and preference. I am going to keep this as same. Then we have this AI configuration. So it's written, set how creative the AI answers are. 0 means more focused, 1 means more creative. So if we go from 1 to 10, this is going to increase the creativity of the AI as they reply. So I'm going to keep it as 0.7. I'm going to select my AI to use as OpenAI, and I'm going to select my model as GPT-4o mini. After that, I'm going to enter my API key. Now how we are going to get this API key? Over here it is written, OpenAI uses API keys for authentication. Kindly visit your OpenAI key page to get the API key that you need to enter here. We are provided a hyperlink which we are going to open. And here I have landed towards this API keys page. To create a new API token, you simply need to click on this create new secret key. First you have to provide the key name. So let's say the key name is test, the project will be default project, and the permissions will be all, and then you simply need to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to you, which you need to copy and simply paste that over here. Now here I have already created the API token, which I am going to enter here. So here I have entered my API token, and after that you enter this token, please make sure that you click on this connect. So here you will see OpenAI key saved successfully. So you have to make sure that you click on this connect, otherwise the AI will not be saved. So here we have entered the API token, and now we have this AI assistant settings. So if you want to enter some header message, you can simply toggle on this button and enter your message, and same goes for this footer message. I'm going to toggle this off. We have the stop keywords next. So what we can do, I'm going to enter a keyword like stop and press enter. So this keyword has been added. Now it is written, enter keywords that users can type to stop the AI assistant. You can add multiple keywords. So when the user type a message like stop, our AI assistant is going to stop replying to that conversation. You can add as many as you want. I'm going to keep it as stop only. And then you can increase or decrease the retry attempt. It's written, specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant failed to respond. Valid range is 1 to 10. So if my AI assistant fails to reply to any conversation, then you can increase or decrease the number. I'm going to keep it as 1. If you want to increase the attempts, you can do that. But for now, I'm going to toggle this off. Then we have this fallback message. So enter the message to display when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. So over here, I have entered this fallback message. I'm here to assist you with the question related to company information or support. If you have any question about our service or need assistance with something else, feel free to ask. So if my API is not responding, the AI agent will not be able to send the responses correctly. And so this fallback message is going to send to the user. You can also add the company details or the contact details. So if the messages are not sent, the user can directly contact this company. Now over here we have done the first part. Now moving on towards the next. which is this knowledge source. So I'm going to open this knowledge source, and then we have this knowledge source. I'm going to upload a file, so I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to click on this cloud. So over here I have already created a knowledge base which I'm going to select and open that, and you will see it will be uploaded. You can upload that knowledge source in .txt format or PDF format. Now here I'm going to show you the knowledge base which I have created to be uploaded to this knowledge source. So this is the knowledge base which I have created. E-commerce AI assistant knowledge base. I have first provided the company information, the store name, website, email address, contact address and everything, and then I've provided the product information. So for now I have just taken some few products. You can add all the products, you can add the complete details of all the products, whether they are in stock or not, and all the details related to product in this product information. Then we have this featured products, and then we have this order management. So how they can track their order, I have provided a link. Then details needed, the order ID. So whenever my customer is asking, I want to track my order, my AI agent should collect their details, like what is your order ID, or send them the tracking link. So here I have provided the delivery option. Delivery takes this much time. Then we have the other details also. We have provided the return and refund policy. Then we have this customer support. Then have some FAQs like the payment method are accepted, how long the delivery takes, can I cancel my order, is cash on delivery available, and then I have added some basic and very important instructions. So if the product details are requested, then show the product, price, stock, status and product link. If they are asking for order track, redirect them to the link. Then if the returns and refunds, provide return rules and link to return page. If support needed, give email, phone and live chat link. If AI does not have any information, say, I don't have the detail right now, please visit customer support or call us at this number. So if any question is asked, the answer to which this AI agent does not know, we have not uploaded the details of that question, then this AI can reply with this information and provide the contact details. So I'll go back towards my AI agent, and this is the same knowledge base which I have uploaded over here. Now I have uploaded this file, you can see over here. Now moving on towards the next step, which is assistant interface. So over here we have this header display message. So you can enter your brand name. The brand name here was Trendora Fashion. So I'm going to enter that, and you will see that over here. Then we have this header display subheading. So if I remove this, you can see it has been removed from this header message. I'm going to keep it as same. And then the initial message, hi there, how can I help you today? So you can enter two initial messages. Your AI will reply with the help of these two initial messages. Like if suppose I message, hey, then my AI agent is going to reply to me, hi there, how can I help you today? You can add one more initial message. Then I'm going to keep this enable power by Pabbly on. If you want to disable, you can do that and it will stop appearing over here. I'm going to keep it as enable. Then I have entered the footer text and the link to this footer text, which is privacy policy. And then the user first message. So this message will be sent to the WhatsApp as initial message from user. But even if the user does not send this, hi, I need help, if they simply send a normal message or an inquiry or simply hey, then also this AI agent is going to reply to that query or the message. Moving on towards the next step, the final one is this styling. So here I'm going to keep the theme as light, but if you want, you can keep it as dark. Then we have this assistant shape. So if you want to keep it as circle, it's here. If you want to keep it square, it's here. If you want to keep it rounded square, it's here. I'm going to keep it as circle. Then you can also change the color, the background color, the text color, button color, chat bubble color, footer text color, then the footer background color. You can change all this. You can also upload the header profile picture or the assistant profile picture. You simply have to click on this cloud and select the picture, just like we have uploaded the knowledge base. Now we also have this background picture. I'm going to keep it as default, but if you want, you can change this also. So here we are done creating this AI agent. We are done with all the options. So first, we have selected the AI instruction. Second, we uploaded this knowledge source. Then we have entered some assistant interface and then the styling. So here we are done with this. Now after creating this AI agent, please make sure that you toggle on this button to keep this active. If you do not keep this active, the messages won't be sent, and then that you save this. If you do not save this, all this will be lost. AI assistant saved successfully here. So now what you can also do, you can embed this AI agent to your website by simply using this code given over here under this embed. So if you click on this embed, you can get this code and you can embed this code to your website, and when the customer click on that, automatically they will be redirected towards the chat. Same goes for the start chat, and they can also scan the QR to start the conversation. Now here we are done with this. Now a very important step. So if you want to enable this AI agent to a particular chat, what you have to do on the left hand side where you can see all these options, we have to go towards this inbox. Let's open this. So this is our chat. And then on the right hand side, you can see this choose AI assistant. So you have to toggle on this button and select the AI assistant. I'm going to select it as AI assistant to handle customer queries for e-commerce. I'm going to save this. And in this manner, that AI assistant will be saved or be activated on this particular chat only. But what if you want to activate this AI assistant to other chats also, or a particular list, or to all the contacts? Then enabling AI assistant to particular chat is very illogical. So on the left hand side where you can see all these options, we have the settings, from where we are going to go towards this inbox settings. Let's open this. Here we have landed towards this inbox settings. If I scroll down, I can see this AI auto reply settings. So first I'm going to enable this AI auto replies, and here AI auto reply enabled successfully. Now over here I have created the list and I have this all contacts. First I'm going to delete this. And then what you can do, you can select the contact list. So this is the contact list which I have created, new registration. So I'm going to select this, and then I can assign any AI assistant to this particular contact list. So let's say this is the AI agent which I want to select. And then after that, you simply need to save this. You will see inbox settings saved successfully, and all the contacts in this particular new registrants will be assigned to this AI assistant. What you can also do, you can simply click on this add more rule, select another contact list which you have created, or you can assign any AI assistant to all the contacts. So I'm going to select the contact list as all contacts, and then I'm going to assign that AI assistant, and then I'm going to save this. So this is how we can assign AI assistant to particular chat, a particular contact list, or all the contacts. Now we are going to test this once for the last time, and I'm going to open my WhatsApp and send some message. So I'm going to send a message like, hey, I want to know if I can cancel my order or not. I placed it yesterday. I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. So here it says, yes, you can cancel your order within 12 hours of placing it. Just visit the order help section on our website to proceed with the cancellation. Let's suppose I want to ask, how can I visit your website? I'm going to send this message. And let's check whether it is sending me the website link or not, as we have updated on our knowledge base, and here it is. You can visit our website by going to this particular link. If you have any specific question or need assistance while browsing, feel free to ask. Enjoy your shopping. So this is working exactly how I have created my knowledge base, and based on the same knowledge itself, it has answered to all of my queries and questions. So here we have successfully created an AI agent to reply to the customer queries for e-commerce store. Now if you have any doubt, you can comment down this video below. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbots. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.